Okay, this is the demonstration for my code on CreativeWork1. If you look here, we have the normal Flutter template layout. Starting with the main function, I've got some themes in here, as you can see, and here is my routing for all my screens. As you can see, for the gesture demo, I've used a bunch of screens. Uh, so when you input a gesture, it takes you to a different screen to fill the requirement that the code do something other than output to console. Uh, there could be some other uses for that too, like a realty app. You could have pictures of a house and use gestures to kind of navigate through it. A lot of interesting uses for the context buttons, just in terms of general interface programming. To continue on, here's those screens, and I've kind of created a template for them where, oh, this is the wrong one, I'm sorry, gesture demo. Um, it's just got an icon in the center, and it detects, has the gesture detector here to the detect the different gestures and to push you to a different page. I also have some console output here for debugging. As you can see, it's just kind of a case type thing, and then here's some just text. Uh, all the gesture screens are pretty much the same. I just pop the context and push you back to the main page after you input the return gesture. It's pretty much the same on all these. The start screen, again, just has some buttons to take you to the various pages. And then here for the fade and image demo, uh, I had originally planned on using tiles, checkbox tiles, and doing that instead of fade in images. So this comment shouldn't be here, but turns out you actually have to use some stateful widgets for that. So I switched to this fade in image. But as you can see here, I just put these fade in images in a column. Uh, I have an image from asset that I use as a placeholder first, and then I load in these. You can see here where I've set the duration and the animation curve. And similar case in this, I've just changed the duration and the animation to show a little difference in creativity. And then the changes to the pubspec file for the assets. And that is probably the extent of the code. All right, thank you.